I'm so tired. If you can't tell, with all this research to do, I'm surrounded by books every day. Books about plants, books about how to learn Indonesian, books about Indonesia, and I'm on the computer all the time. My brain is fried, so I need to take a little break. And really, what better reason to check out Bali? It's a small island, but I haven't seen it all yet. Now's the perfect moment, which means it's the perfect moment for you too. So, ayo, let's get some fresh air.
All I need to do is pack a few essentials. The plan is a day trip to check out some waterfalls, so I'm bringing my towel, water bottle, change of clothes, and, of course, a rain jacket. It's rainy season in Bali right now, so you must have a rain jacket at all times. Now, I'm off to meet a friend who's joining me today. Say hello to Polly. She's from the Netherlands, and we've been fast friends ever since she moved to Bali. I can always count on her for fun, laughs, and adventure, so here we go. We've got an early start today at 7 a.m., and our first stop is the Tukad Cepung Waterfall in the Bangli Regency of Bali, which is northeast of Ubud, where we live. It's located in the little village of Undisan, and we picked it because we hear it's not your typical waterfall. I wonder what that means. The drive should take just under an hour, and the weather is perfect for cruising.
Here we are, into the wilds.
Yay!
The wild. Said, let's go.
This is the wild with the toilet.
This is the toilet.
After paying an entrance fee of 10,000 rupiah each, less than $1, we follow the path. It sounds crazy, but sometimes I forget where I live, and it's nice to take breaks like this so I don't take my home for granted. And of course, gotta stop and smell the flowers or, take a photo. After about a 15-minute walk, we arrive at the end of the path, and everything is quiet while the sound of water becomes more distinct. We follow the stream, and the scenery around us is just spectacular. Mother Nature at her best. As we follow the sound of water, I realize why this waterfall is different. Most waterfalls are in the open, exposed, and part of a panoramic view, but Tukad Cepung waterfall is underground. Polly and I have to squeeze in between towering cliffs and through moss-covered boulders to reach it. It's like looking for a waterfall in a cave with high walls and sunlight beaming through on top. Now that we're completely refreshed and thoroughly soaked, it's time to head to our second stop, green cliffs and a little grotto in the same village close by.
Off to the second location! Yay!
But wait, we can't find it. Are you telling me the website that told us about Tukad Cepung Waterfall and the website that told us about the Green Cliffs are actually the same place? Especially after the ibus in the village look at us crazy when we ask, "Di mana Bukit Hijau?" Yep, it's the same place. No matter, it's a beautiful day and other adventures are out there. Not more than after 20 minutes of driving, a Balinese spot flags us down.
Pillar temple here is the door temple, the or Soprong Leher temple. Yeah, the Burgermeester kantor here. Is
a lot of
mooi.
temples, yeah.
Wonderland here.
Wonderland.
Wil u naar mijn huis gaan hier? 8 meters van hier.
Oh.
1 minute, 2 minuten is enough.
Do you want to go to his house?
Absolutely. Pak invites us to his house for tea and cookies, and we learn that he makes books and art out of lontar leaves. Lontar is a type of palm tree commonly found throughout Indonesia. The dried leaves are flexible and durable, which is why books are made from them. Words are carved into the leaves with a sharp blade, and they can last for decades, if not centuries. Then Pak showed us a special talent with one of his books.
Jaya Pandita Rengaji Kabe. Glorious. He studied many knowledge. Sang Daserata Nama Demuli. The name of the king was King Dasaratha.
And once he started, he just couldn't stop.
Sapi, satai kambing, satai kambing, enak sekali. Sate penyu, satai Denpasar, satai Langon di Karangasem. Satai penyu, enak rasanya, satai Langon, enak sekali. Satai penyu, satai Langon, satai Langon, enak sekali.
Yeah.
Wow,
After that delightful stop, it's time to head back to Ubud. As expected, the rain clouds are coming in fast, and we're gonna try to beat them home, but not before we pick up an extra passenger.
I know, I want you to come too.
Just kidding. On our way back home, had to stop for some gas. It's been such a fun day. It was the break I needed, and now I'm ready to get back to work. But first, a nap. See you next time.